Hey guys, welcome in our newest Snoopy Downtails event. It's a rainy summer, I guess. I didn't know that, but it's a rainy summer. Actually, in real life, this is not rainy summer, but okay. And it seems to me like there are Charlie Brown, Pepper and Patty, person that I don't know, and Snoopy, and one more person that I don't know. Okay, but yeah, it's not bad actually. No, let's go. There are some errors there. Oh, not now. Okay, I guess. I want this. Not this. Because it looks cool. And this looks cool as well, but I'm not maybe gonna play so much. Let's see. So, forget a good answer. Let's watch this. Rainy pack. Oh. So, Franklin. Oh no, this is Milo's house. Person that I don't know. Okay. And actually bad. For that money, no. It's a real money. It's something like this is not actually so thing. Actually, it is actually not. Yeah. Okay. This costs like $10. But I don't wanna. I don't know if I should. And I'm not gonna pay real money into this. So. Oh, I forgot to open first quest. Oh no, why? Okay, when I have quest, I have to watch out. So let's go. Oh no, why? Why am I so unlucky in this? Okay, I got two things, so it's good. Let's get things what they should get. I need them. Where is more? Oh, come on, faster! I need to do this faster. Franklin, I don't know why did I click that. It's bad. Never mind. Someone is doing something outside. Let's do this. Okay. I did some quest that I don't know which quest I did. Second. I have full bag. Are you kidding me? Just sell things. Okay. Okay, I guess. Again. Again and again. Sell lots of things. Wait a second. Okay. I suppose there is some event thing in this game, but that's not actually so important. Why cannot I place it somewhere like this? Somewhere with water. Come on, are you kidding me? Silly. Oh, come on. I said silly, not something else. Okay, what's this? Something terrible bad. Wait, where? Okay, umbrella bag should be. Okay, you can see now that umbrella bag makes it easier. Okay, we will need Snoopy and coat. Come on, Snoopy, where are you? This is Spike. Oh, come on. Okay, then talk to the cactus. You can photograph again. Lydia, you should call Linus. New one. Okay, only 10,000. I'm gonna buy it for you. I just bought something. I hope that wasn't stupid. Okay, big pan. Okay, fossil search. Linus. Wait, why are there so many people? Oh, come on. He should do a beginning. Andy. He'll be cooking. Red-haired girl. This Violet. When there are so many people, like, how am I supposed to do all of this? That's too much, Frida. Will do probably. I have time now. I have to do quicker things. Okay. Something fast? Don't you have anything faster? Okay, fly balls. That's only 5 minutes. Preparing patty? No. I'm not gonna do it now. Okay. She should do garage. Directed. I need to find Snoopy, but I need to find him so badly now. Because I cannot find him anywhere. Is that Snoopy? Finally. I found him. It took me long, I know. Franklin. You ain't shoulder. Come on. Okay. Biffy should do tricks. Woodstock should do this. And Belle should probably clean Charlie Brown's house. Snoopy should do that again. Where is Happy Dance? Okay, here. Now I can do it. Now I can do this. And watch that. Let's go. Snoopy, do it faster. No, I need Happy Dance. How many times do I need it? One more. Okay. This looks good. Like easy. Or how should I say it? 20 minutes, okay. Now I need to get code. What can you get for me, Snoopy? Can you get me a code? No, obviously not. World War Flying Ace, that's what he's gonna do. Okay. What was I thinking about? Yeah, first I have to craft things. Come on, I need more, one more. Are you kidding me? Okay. Bucket. And do this. Let's go. Okay. Next time I'm not gonna create a soccer ball. I don't need any other soccer balls. I need one more flower and one more this. I need one more sucker card. Get that. Let's go. Come on. Alright, so that Lucy will be finished by now. Need to do it once more, and now let's get one more. Let's go. Yes. They'll do it once again for me. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Okay. I saw lots of things. Come on, I need more things. Oh, I forgot about this. Visit. That's what you should do if you're playing this game. Always visit that. Okay. Let's go. Oh, I know now what's going on. There, rainy thing outfit, and there is Snoopy did something, I guess. Oh, yeah, I get it. Okay. I think Sharmi should already stop doing this. Why forgot about Marcy all the time? Are you kidding? How could I forget someone? Okay, I'll just stop there. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's sell this thing. Okay. No. Okay. Almost done. Poultry farmer. That's what you're gonna do. Okay. Now where was I? Belle. Should now. What should she do? Okay, I think this. Okay, let's go. Oh, big pan. Well, doing hold down. Little red-haired girl. Well, have sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. No, I can't say that. Sorry. I love creating something special. And I almost have survival kit. Okay, now I need Pepper Patty to do Pepper Sneeze because there she doesn't have other thing. Woodstock will be abandoned again. And Fifi will have a beauty sleep. Let's go. collected a reward. But lots of things are not ready yet. Come on. I need to finish this. What's this? Just decoration? Okay, I guess. This. No, this is just not decoration, this is just thing what I can sell. Swamp. Decoration, this is rain shower. Decoration. Whoa, and this gives something to me. So what's this? Decoration. Toys. Stuffs. What's this? Decoration, I guess. This is cool. Crafting station, let's see. Okay. No, I saw it, but I can see what's here. Okay. It's not so good. But it costs a lot of money. So that should be why. It's not so good. Okay. I heard Linus can do that. But I don't know what he needs. Probably something what needs someone else. Shoulder. His shoulder is doing what? Okay, he's with Charlie Brown. It'll take him a while. Take them a while, then they finish. Before they finish. So this. Yeah, Lydia. Lydia, come on. Don't forget to make homework. You have to make homework. That's the first thing you should do. Always. Rain balloon. What other things does they have? Okay. Snow wall. I thought it's summer. They said that this is now summer they are doing. They're saying something all different. I think I can spend 500 for that balloon. Oh no, not 500, it's only 50. That's really cheap, I have to say. Okay, let's go. Can you do it something like that or no? Okay, he can. Snoopy will be throwing football. Whoa, they caught it. I'm out of space. No, I didn't come out of the space. Why? I need more coins. Oh, I need to be okay. Two for the last. Okay. I need to do these things. Okay. Okay. Okay then. Don't think that I need this. Let's go. Not you. I ordered. Oh, come on. Why not? Stop. 15 seconds. Let's wait. Let's go. Another quest. What's this? Red apple. No, no, no. It costs too much. Don't even think about it. shoulder, about shoulder, something. But he has to do this, which like a snowball fight. Charlie Brown has to do something else. Fly the kite. Did I do all of them now? But Sally, yes. Franklin, yes. Fifi, yes. Big Ben, yes. Pepper and Patty, yes. Marcy, yes. Sarah Girl, yes. Okay. Finally finished it. It took me a while, but it's finished. Let's just see some things more. What do you give now for eventing? Whoa, that costs a lot. Not really a lot. $300? Who would buy that? It's too much. No, that's too much. But there are too much. What? Giant orca? Giant what? Giant seahorse? That looks better than others. But Pirate Playground looks good as well. Jolly Bean Rain looks good. But it's real money and I cannot pay that. It's too much. I thank you for watching and please subscribe.